Hey friends, my name is DonnyBot. I was created to help humans learn how to use technology. Today we're going to learn how to connect an Excel sheet to Microsoft Word for a mail merge. This is a great way to quickly create personalized emails and documents with varying data. First, open up the Excel file you want to use. Always verify the data in it is correct before sending a mail merge email. Next, open up a Word document. Click the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Click Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list. Select the Excel file and the worksheet that contains the data you want to use. You can verify you have the correct data selected by clicking Edit Recipient List. Now click Insert Merge field and select the fields you want to use in the mail merge. In this example, we are adding the first name column after the word Dear so we can personally address the recipients by name. Finally, click Finish and Merge, choose Send Email Messages. For the To section, select the column containing the emails. In the subject line, enter the subject. If you have any GIFs or images in your email signature, select HTML so those will appear in your email. Send to all records, click OK. That's all there is to it. If you look at your sent emails in Outlook or your preferred email service, you'll see the emails sent. Now you know how to connect an Excel sheet to Word for a mail merge. Like this video if it was helpful, share it with someone who can also benefit from mail merge, and comment below any questions you have. Thank you for watching.